right, let's see here. I don't think I tell the pumpkins not. Here is, let's see here. Is it done yet? I'll pull one out. Just about. So that's 10 minutes. So here's a unicorn. And I'll set that back in there for a few more minutes. So roughly 10 to 15 minutes. You can put it, but I do recommend that, and this is from past experience, don't leave them in the mold. Put them in a plastic bag and put them back in the freezer. Because they will get that freezer burnt taste. So Anastasia asked me, I was coughing upstairs. She goes, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "I am fine." And at first I said, "It's because I'm overheated." And I got to think, I said, "You know what? No, I'm not overheated." So I want to see if I can eat. I thought those were flying birds from an angle. Yeah. You know, it could be. Either way. Or if we girl, if it's upside down. There you go.